Ay, fantastic morning! My name is Lionel and welcome to Legendary Mansions. Tara, pasok po kayo. Ayan, so pagpasok natin ng pintuan, so meron agad tayo dito malaking mirror. Bago umalis ng bahay or pagdating mo ng bahay, check mo muna kung pogi ka, kung fresh ka, maganda ka, di ba? So ito muna, malaking mirror muna yung tatambad sa'yo. Okay? And just beside the mirror, meron tayo dito CR para po sa ating mga bisita. Okay? So, first, you have here yung parang habang nakaupo ka dito sa trono, nakikita mo yung pangarap mo, di ba? Makapunta ka sa Pisa, sa New York, Paris, and London. And syempre, magugas tayo ng kamay gamit ang ating Aurora Beauty Bar. Okay? And just after the main door, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating binili na artwork from Secret Fresh Gallery. This is around 120,000 if I'm not mistaken. So dito naman, pass tayo dito. So I have here yung cute na side table na dog na naka parang si Avril Lavigne, meron siyang necktie. And here, of course, nandito si Hype Father book ni Boss DJ Big Boy Cheng. Dito sa ilalim naman, pakita ko lang din yung some of the publications na binili ko pa from London because we went nung 2019 sa Kensington Palace in London to get the Fernley World Branding Awards, the first ever World Branding Awards. So, nagpunta kami sa Roman Baths and we also went to the Stonehenge, It's one of the wonders of the world, Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga. Yan, ito pa, may Ancient Rome na book, So ako medyo mahilig ako sa mga ganito kasi. Yan. So mga souvenirs. Okay? And then, ito naman po, I have here commission painting. Pinagawa ko po yan dun sa isang friend ko na painter. It represents something na parang anong legacy mo, So when you think about a legacy, parang elegante, may dating, parang it's something that you really value. So, yun nga, legendary yung datingan niya. And here naman, ito naman yung my first movie poster na collect. And I got it from Sir Tom. So, nakakatuwa kasi this is the first Avenger movie, original movie poster siya talaga. Dito naman tayo sa one of my favorite parts of the house. Ito yung aking billiard table. Gusto ko yung bahay, parang multi-purpose siya. Marami kang pwedeng magawa because ito yung bahay, sabi ko nga syempre, tutulugan ko, diba? Bahay ko. Pero, sabi ko, dito din kami mag-mentoring ng mga downlines, magte-training, magbabanding, and part of the bonding is having fun. Diba? And one thing I like about this billiard is this is a multi-purpose na billiard. It can serve as a dining table and a ping-pong table. Minsan, nagiging meeting table din to. That's why over there, I also have yung aking whiteboard. Kasi habang nagmi-meeting, syempre dapat may nagsusulat, di ba? So, ayun, diyan kami nagbibilog-bilog dito sa aming whiteboard na glass. Ayan, walang pumasok, So, ganun talaga yung life. Minsan, magiging successful ka, minsan hindi, you will experience a lot of failure. So, okay lang yung kapatid kung nag-fail ka. Kasi, part siya ng success, Just like here, I have this painting, by Zamoranos. Ayan. I also got this one from Boss DJ Big Boy Cheng dun sa Secret Fresh Gallery. Of course, it features Michael Jordan. Siya yung pinaka-example ng becoming successful because of his failures. No? Kaya siya successful kasi he keeps on trying. No? That's why he's the GOAT. I think this is about 150,000 if I'm not mistaken. Yan. So, sulit na sulit. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong artwork na to. Yeah. And here naman, okay? So, meron tayong pa-money tree. Siyempre, i-attract natin ng more money. Kaya naman tayo nagtatrabaho eh. Dahil, siyempre, di ba? Kailangan kumita ng pera, no? So, wag nating i-chase yung money. But we need to attract money. Yan. So, meron tayong ano din, di ba? Pagka may something to celebrate, no? Occasionally, we drink some alcohol dyan, no? Pag magsi-celebrate tayo. Also here, no, ito naman din, isa ring commission painting to, no? Pinagawa ko din sa aking friend na painter. Nag-match lang siya dun sa energy na gusto ko dito sa part ng bahay na to. And so, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung bandang likod ng bahay, which is the pool area. Tara! Ayan. So, ito yung pool area natin. It's L-shaped, no? May nakasulat pa dyan. Letter A, God is good all the time. So, tama, di ba? God is good all the time. And over here, no, meron tayo ditong maid's room / bodega rin, no? Pero pwede rin yan tulugan. And of course, nandito rin sa ating pool area. Of course, ito yung ating power trio skim boards. No? Ayan, power trio skim boards. And ito yung ating Team Legendary na logo. Pwede mag-picture dyan. And this pool, no, I think dito sa pinakamalalim na part, I think it's around 7 feet. No? So medyo malalim siya. Dito din ginawa yung yung Miss Aurora na video shoot. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ng BTS ng video shoot, no, panoorin niyo po sa aking YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel, iFern Online by Mr. Legendary. Subscribe. So, palagi ako maraming bisita dito sa bahay and syempre, kinakailangan ng pagkain. Kakain kami lahat, di ba? So, ito yung ating mga dining tables dito. Again, no, with the resort feel. No? So, ganyan yung tema ng ating mga dining tables. And of course, dito yung ating dirty kitchen, no? Diyan natin niluluto yung mga pagkain. Dito namin kakainin, no? Alfresco dining. Resort na resort talaga yung dati niya. Pasok naman tayo ngayon sa living area. Tara. Yan. Okay. So, this is where I entertain my guests. Pero, multi-purpose to. Kasi ginagawa rin namin to na training area, training room, mentoring, whatever, no? Marami kaming mga naging bisita dito, especially may downlines, no? And we had this training program, we called it Project Genesis. So I conduct 2 months training for those people who wants to learn the basics of network marketing. Parang pag pumasok ka doon sa training na yon, lalabas ka networker talaga. Kahit wala kang kaalam-alam, no, magiging networker ka. So this is the photo, no, nung Project Genesis na training namin. So ito yung mga students ko na graduate, no? And yun nga, no, it's 8 weeks and magmula sa mga basic skills, paano mag-invite, paano mag-prospect, and other stuff about network marketing, yun yung ginawa namin dito sa bahay na to.